In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit or delete a template. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then make sure you're at the correct location, the location for which you want to delete or edit a template. Once you have your location selected, go down to the middle of this drop-down menu and select Templates. Once you've arrived at your Templates page, select the template you would like to edit. Once you've arrived at your settings, make sure you're working with the template that you want to edit or delete. Click on this little menu icon and select the template from this side menu. If you need to adjust the name, you can change that. You could change the group or you could delete the group altogether. If I hit save, a green save bar appears under that save button, letting me know that that name and group have been changed. If I want to just delete this template altogether, I can go ahead and choose delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do actually want to delete this template. If I don't, I can choose cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now that template has been deleted. If you look down at the bottom of that chart, you can see that waitstaff is no longer a template. And that's how you can edit or delete a template. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.